how to cook peas from frozen and make them totally delicious.
This is just one of those great easy side dishes that goes with everything. First up, finely chop some garlic because we're going to cook these peas in garlic butter. To cook the peas, melt some butter, then add the garlic and saute it for just 30 seconds.
Cook from frozen.
Add straight into the pan, then add just a bit of water which makes the peas sort of steam cook in the garlic butter. Actually, peas are cooked before they snap frozen, so we really just need to heat them through. And here we make them extra tasty by cooking them in the garlic butter. Just 5 minutes, then we're done. These are peas so good, you're going to become famous for them.
Who knew frozen peas could be so amazing? Yum! It's so good. All mine. Sorry, Doza. No garlic peas for Doza. How about some peanut butter toast instead?